In this video, I'm going to tell you how I make videos, like my videos, like this video. So the first thing that comes in my mind, like my ideas, I just write it down on paper or I just write it on laptop, and then I just write description, title for and thumbnail ideas for my video. It just helps me out on my productivity. Whenever I do not have a good condition for lighting, I just write more scripts on my laptop or my register, and it saves me time and I have more scripts. So in this video, I'm also going to give you some tips like how to make a good intro, because you want to make a good intro to hook people in the first 30 seconds so they watch your video at the end. Just do not make your intro like other people that do the same thing. Hey, what's up everyone? Like that. You can get inspiration from big YouTubers like Mr. Beast and MKBHD, and you can make good intros for your own self. Now I write scripts on Microsoft Word. First I used to write it on register, and whenever I have to cut it anything, it just become messy. So Microsoft Word helps me out on my typing speed too, and also saves me money. So to record video, I just use my mobile camera. Right now I also using it. I think I will get a professional camera in the future, but right now I'm just starting and I'm learning how to edit things, how to add music, how to add text. So I'm just learning right now, and I believe that I do not need a good setup right now. For lighting, I do not use any expensive gear, and for recording I use this Boya mic. It's very cheap, and I believe the new YouTubers who want to start their own YouTube channel, they do not need an expensive mic in the start, so it's okay. So I'm using it. To edit my videos, I use Adobe Premiere Pro. First I used to do CapCut, but I believe that if you want to make good videos and you want to learn more, you need to use a professional software. And for sound, I use Epidemic Sound, and you can also use YouTube library sounds for free. And there are also other websites, you can search it on Google, that gives you some free copyright music, but I'm telling you, use Epidemic Sound. The link is in the description. And 1 month free offer. You get 1 month free. So to use animation, I use Adobe After Effects. You can use Jitter, and you can get some free animation templates. You can get free templates like subscribe button and other cool animation templates. And for the thumbnails, I use Canva. In last, I used Canva, and if I do not get any free template, I use Adobe Photoshop. It's very easy to use.